Hello everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. Have you ever wondered that your laptop battery has a secret double life? Cause one day it runs for hours and the very next day it dies faster than your motivation on a Monday morning. So if you've noticed your battery draining too quickly, charging too slowly, or randomly shutting down at just 30%, chances are that your battery health is declining. So in today's video, I'll show you how to check up your laptop's battery health in Windows 11 step by step. So no extra apps, no confusing tech jargon, just built-in tools and some easy tips. So let's get started. First, let's start simple. Just press Windows plus the letter I to open your settings. And then now from the left hand side, go to the system option. And then from here, just scroll down and go to the power and battery option. Now here you'll see your recent battery usage, which apps are draining it most and how fast it's been dropping. This doesn't give you the exact health percentage, but it's like the surface level checkup. If you notice huge drops when you're barely using your laptop, that's already a sign that your battery is no longer in its prime state. Now for the real test, Windows 11 has a secret gem called the battery report. And to check that, you would need to open your command prompt and run it as an administrator. So just go to your search menu and search for command prompt. And from here, just run it as an administrator. And now in here, you would need to type a code. You can go ahead and copy that from my description box below. So just go ahead and type in Powercfg/battery report. And after that, just hit on enter. And once you've done that, Windows has just generated a detailed report and saved it as an HTML file. Usually it's saved at this path, which is the C drive, then the Windows, then System32, and then the batteryreport.html. After entering that code and hitting enter, you would get the location of the saved file. So after that, just go ahead and open your file explorer. And then from here, just open the C drive and then the Windows folder. And then you would need to open the System32 folder. So just go ahead and search for it. And here we have a folder, so open it. And now just open the batteryreport.html folder. You have a lot of folders here, so just go ahead and type in the name. And here you go, this is the file which we are searching for. So just open it up. And now inside this report, you'll find some really important info. First up, the design capacity. This is what your battery was built to hold when it was brand new. So in here, just go ahead and scroll down until you arrive at the battery capacity history. Now here you'll see the design capacity. This is what your battery was built to hold when it was brand new. And this here is the full charge capacity. This is what it can actually hold now. Now let's say your design capacity was 50,000, but now it only charges up to 30,000. Then that means your battery is down to about 60% health. Then you have the cycle count, which shows how many times you've charged and discharged the battery. Most laptop batteries are designed for around 300 to 500 cycles before they start wearing out. So the lower the full charge capacity compared to design capacity, the more your battery has aged. It's kind of like jeans. They fit perfectly when new, but over time let's just say they stretch into a new capacity. Now in the battery usage history, it shows you how it's been draining over weeks. And in the recent usage, It shows the exact times your laptop was on battery or plugged in. And in the battery life estimates, it shows you how many hours Windows thinks you should get versus what you're actually getting. This part is super useful for spotting sudden drops. For example, if the estimate says you should get 6 hours but real life is 2 hours, that's a red flag. Okay, so now you know your battery's health. So what to do next? If it's above 80%, your battery is still pretty healthy, so nothing to worry about. But between 60 to 80%, you should expect shorter run times, but you can still use it fine. But the real danger is when it comes below 60%. Now, this is when you should think about a replacement, especially if you rely on it for travel or work. Also, you can improve your battery's lifespan by reducing your screen brightness, closing background apps, avoiding keeping it plugged in 24/7, and well, no more Netflix marathons on 2% battery life. So, well, that's it. You just learned how to check your laptop's battery health in Windows 11 without installing anything extra. So, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and please do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more useful tech tips. And if you have any queries regarding this video, do make sure to put them in the comments box below. Thank you and have a nice day.